record on the session now. So basically, if the people are new, then what we need to do, we have some addition in Salesforce. Okay, we have some addition in Salesforce, like the, if I'm talking about Salesforce developer edition. And before that, I'm telling you, just I'm Rakesh and I'm having 7 year experience in Salesforce, and currently just I'm giving the training as well, and also I'm working. Okay, so this is, so I want just the people just enter in Salesforce. Okay, because everyone just have a good capability, no doubt, but the problem is there, the direction, how you enter in Salesforce. This is the problem. Okay, so training is, suppose the people just taking a training from the institutes, from the other resources, and someone self learner, but apart from these things, you need to think about it, how we know that, how we enter. This is an important point, because in Salesforce we have a lots of things, right? I told you, we have administrator, we have a development, we have a lightning, we have a LWC, and we have integration. So Salesforce is a very big, not a small thing. But what you need to learn and where you need to pick, there are 2 questions. Okay, so admin, development, or admin is a pillar. If someone, suppose if I'm talking about the most of the time, just if I'm talking about the females, so don't want to go into the coding, right? Because we have a lots of responsibilities in the you can say family responsibility and all these things, and coding is the very something, you can say, if you are free from everything, okay, just focus on the coding. They are not just to write the code. Okay, so apart from coding, we have a lots of things, not only the coding. If you don't know the coding, then you cannot get a job in Salesforce, not like that. Okay, so apart from coding, we have a lots of things to learn in Salesforce: administrator, CPQ, marketing cloud, and other stuff. Okay, so if so, don't forget about the things. First of all, everyone, just I'm telling you, forget about you need to learn the coding, or you need to learn the administrator, or you need to learn the CPQ, or marketing cloud, or lightning, or integration, or what. Don't think about that. Just to start the Salesforce from scratch, and scratch in the sense from administrator, because admin is a pillar. Okay, without admin you cannot move further. Suppose if anyone don't know about the administrator and then want to learn the development, or want to learn the marketing cloud, or want to learn the other stuff, this is not possible if you don't know the admin. So just guys, I want just a request, please mute. Okay, so admin is a pillar. Okay, without admin you cannot learn the development or other. Now, so this just I have given the basic verbal discussion about the Salesforce, right? And I will tell you much more things, and I'm sure this will be very interesting for all of us. Okay, and don't worry about the job, just to learn and just to just to give your best, and 100% within certain month. Okay, you will get a very good offer. So guys, just I start the security. So before starting the security, just I'm telling you, see, Salesforce, we have some additions. Okay, so just I'm telling you where you understand, because from starting this is not possible, because this is a specific topic for the security setting in Salesforce. So just I will pick up from there. Apart from this, I am telling you, if you I know where you can get a doubt. Okay, so I am telling you that things also. So we have a few additions, right? So we have a Salesforce developer edition, Salesforce, sorry, essential edition. We have a professional edition.
देख लेना. Sorry.
And then we have a, you can say, unlimited edition, and we have a enterprise edition. Okay, so these editions provided by Salesforce. So guys, Why these editions provided by Salesforce? I will tell you next session. But as of now, these editions provided by Salesforce just to learn. Okay. So these 4 edition is paid edition: essential, professional, unlimited, enterprise. These 4 edition is the paid edition. It means to say, if you are purchasing a Salesforce license from Salesforce, then you will choose essential, either professional, either unlimited, either enterprise. And this edition, this is the free of cost provided by Salesforce. Why? If the Salesforce not given this edition, then where you learn, where you do the practice, right? And if you are not able to do the, suppose if I'm telling you, okay, we have some edition, and then you can pay. This is a paid edition, and then you can learn, so that you need to purchase. So if anything new in the market, then you will think about it. Yeah, I need to purchase. Okay, this will helpful or not. So that's why the Salesforce given the free of cost developer edition, or you can say the developer account. So this edition or this edition or this account is free of cost to everyone, and doesn't matter if this is only for trainer new people. This edition is available for everyone. If you have a 2-year experience, if you have a 5-year experience, you have a 10-year experience, everyone have a developer edition. So that, because I told you we have a lots of things to learn in Salesforce. So still we are, suppose I have a 7-year experience, someone have a 10-year experience, still they are learning. Okay, not stop. Okay, I'm fine now. No. So that's why everyone have a developer edition. And guys, I'm telling you one more thing. Developer edition or essential edition or professional or unlimited or enterprise, all the edition look and feel is same. It means to say UI is same. User interface is same for everything. For example, if I'm telling you, suppose we have a 5 editions like this, and one laptop you open the developer edition, one laptop you open the enterprise, one laptop you open the unlimited, one laptop you open the developer account, free edition, one laptop you open the professional edition. So all the edition look and feel is same. If you not click anywhere in the Salesforce edition, then you cannot identify what edition you are using. So it means to say all the edition. So that's why everything is same. Salesforce don't want to confuse anyone, right? Suppose if you are using the essential, if someone using the professional, someone using the unlimited, then what is the difference? Difference is only for the limitation. Okay, limitation. Suppose if I'm talking about the validation rule, so in the lower edition, just you can write a 10 validation rule, 20 validation rule, like that. I'm not telling you the exact count. Okay, so don't pick the exact count. So someone have a good space. Okay, some other edition have a good space. You can say the higher edition. Lower edition have a less space for data, right? So Salesforce launched these edition because Salesforce is the very costly as compared to other CRM in the market. Guys, I'm telling you, Salesforce is very costly as compared to other CRM. Even that Salesforce is the leader of all the CRM in the market. Okay, Salesforce is a leader of all the CRM in the market. So why? Because of there are lots of benefit in the Salesforce. We can automate our business 90%, 90+% with the help of Salesforce. We have a other CRM as well. If I'm talking about, we have a Zoho CRM. Sorry, we have a Zoho. We have a Sugar CRM. We have a Civil CRM. We have a MS Dynamic, Microsoft Dynamics CRM. Okay, so we have a multiple CRM, and this CRM is based on the cloud as well. Even that people using the Salesforce, and Salesforce is a very costly. So Salesforce launched these editions. If you have a problem, if you are a startup, you don't have the much budget, so that you can use the essential edition as of now. And once your company will grow after 6 months, after 1 year, and then you can move from one edition to another edition. No need to do anything. Just to call to technical support of Salesforce and give the payment and all. Automatically within 24 hours, your current edition will convert into the higher edition or any other edition. Okay, suppose you develop some code or something in the essential edition. So now if your company is grow, why? Because I'm telling you the price. Okay, you can see the price also. $25 per month per user. What is the mean? $25 per month per user means, suppose if in your company you have a 10 employee, you want a Salesforce for 10 employees. It means to say you need to create it, you need to take a 10 license from Salesforce. Okay, you need to take a 10 license from Salesforce. If you have a 100 employee, you need to take a 100 license from Salesforce. So for one license cost is a $25 for essential edition. If I'm talking about the professional edition, $125 per month. Per month, I'm telling you. Okay, every month you need to pay $125 per month for professional edition. If I'm talking about unlimited edition, so unlimited edition cost is, you can say, $175 per month per user, or you can say per license. Okay, now, okay, so if I'm talking about enterprise edition, so this cost is the, this cost is the $175 per month, and this cost is the $300 per month. This cost is the $300 per month. Okay, so you can see here that there are much difference in the cost. $25, $125, $300, $175. Okay, so if I'm telling you is you can take a this edition, once your company will grow, then you can take a unlimited or enterprise. So guys, just I'm telling you one more thing. If anyone asks you what edition you are using in your company, always you will say the enterprise or unlimited. Okay, but I suggest you always you will say the enterprise edition. In this edition, you can write everything in the sense you can write the code. Also, you can write the admin, like the point and admin means what? Point and click. Okay, or sometimes you can say the out of box. So in this edition, everything you can write. Here also you can write everything, but in these two edition you cannot write the code. So the one question in your mind, if you are not able to write a code, then how you implement your project, right? So this for this question, the answer is this, guys. I'm telling you, 60 to 70% project we are developing with the help of admin, or you can say out of box, or sometimes you can say the point and click. Sometimes the interviewer or person are asking about the, just tell me the how much experience you have in out of box. It means to say they are asking about the admin. If I'm telling you how much experience you have in point and click, it means to say they are asking for the admin. So please, these three words is the common for the administrator. So I told you 60 to 70% project we are done through the administrator. And when we go for the coding, if we are telling, if suppose if we need to implement the complex functionality, right? Complex functionality, like the, suppose if you want to integrate one system with the another system, if you want to integrate the lots of things, because we have a limitation in the administrator work, we can both. Suppose if I'm talking about point and click, okay, suppose I'm telling you if we can do something through point and click, right? So when you need to go for code, so we have a limitation. Okay, if you go beyond the limitation, then you need to go for the code. Code is nothing just like a customization. Okay, you need to create a custom code. Got it? So I will not go much deep right now. Okay, just I'm telling you the verbal things. So guys, if anyone asks you if what edition you are using in your company, you can say the enterprise edition. And I told you, suppose if you have a small edition like the essential edition, and just once your company will grow, just you can move from essential to professional, or essential to unlimited, or essential to, you can say, enterprise. Okay, any edition you can move. No need to do anything. everything will same, just to call to technical support of Salesforce and then give the payment and all. Within 24 hours, your current edition will convert automatically into the edition whatever you demand, and then you can write a code and all this. Okay, so Salesforce don't want to lose the client. Suppose if you heard about the Salesforce is a very good, right, and then you call to then you connect to Salesforce. Yeah, I need a Salesforce. So I told you that Salesforce cost is this, and you heard about the Salesforce is very good, right? But you think about it. Okay, I don't have the much budget. I don't have the much budget. Because Salesforce is very costly, then you can move to the Zoho, Sugar, or Siebel, or Dynamic, or any other CRM. Why? Due to the budget problem. So Salesforce saying that please take a essential edition and you develop whatever you want, and then I understand your business criteria, so that you can use this edition, and then I'm sure you will fulfill your requirement with the help of point and click. And once your company will grow in 6 months or 1 year, then just to call to us and then give the payment, whatever payment, and then I will convert your essential edition to the unlimited edition. Because if the startup company, then customer is less. If the customer is less, then no need to customize much, right? If you have a less customer, then why you customize much thing, right? So guys, this is a little bit information about the Salesforce editions. Now the question is this: where you practice? So I'm telling you, you can practice on a developer edition, or you can see the developer account. So you need to create a developer account. Okay, so how you can create a developer account? So developer account, just you need to create a developer. Just you can see the developer.salesforce.com/signup. You can use this link to create a production account. Now, so otherwise, suppose if you are going for the how you create a Facebook first time, how you create a Gmail first time, just go to the Google. Just go to the Google. Write the oh yes, thank you so much, Priya. Just say okay. So if you want to sign up Gmail, what you do? Gmail sign up, right? Enter, and then you can create a Gmail account. Same thing if you want to sign up Facebook, just you write the Facebook sign up, enter. You can sign up Facebook first time, right? In the same way, if you want to create a Salesforce, just to write a Salesforce sign up and create here. Salesforce sign up for developer account, create here. You can see here this form is open. Now, if you write the URL, if you write the URL developer.salesforce.com/sign up. Same form open. You see this sign up. Same form open. Same form also open. So no need to learn about the URL. Okay, just you write the Google. Just you write the developer sign up, so Salesforce sign up in the Google. So then, and this is unlimited. Okay, this is not expiry date. Okay, so now you can see here, this is the developer account. How you create? So just you fill the form, first name, last name, email address, role, developer or administrator, any role you can fill, right? Company name, whatever you want, just you can fill here. Region, where you belong, country, just to mention. Same type postal code, and then username. So username you can pick the email address, but in the form of email. Username will be the anything, right? So just you copy the email address and paste here, and then just sign me up. So once you click on the sign me up, then you will receive a one link, and click on that link, and then you get the reset the password option. So you have a username and you have a password. Now you get the username from here, and then password you will reset. Then easily you can open the Salesforce. So how you open the Salesforce? This is the URL, login.salesforce.com. For any edition, doesn't matter the paid edition or free edition or company edition or whatever. Okay. Just you open the login.salesforce.com. This is the production URL. Okay. Another one, we have a test.salesforce.com. This is the Salesforce test environment. Okay. Call the sandbox. Okay. So what is the mean of sandbox? Sandbox is nothing just like a exact copy of production. So why we use the sandbox? Because of Salesforce is on, you can say Salesforce is a live environment, right? Salesforce is based on the cloud computing. Okay. So Salesforce is based on the cloud computing, so that we cannot directly implement anything in the live environment. As we know, this is a common sense, right? We cannot implement directly. So what you need to do, just whatever, suppose I am a client and I am giving the any requirement. So where you need to implement? First of all, you will implement into the sandbox, and then you will deploy from sandbox to production. Guys, just I'm telling you one more question. Deployment and migrate. What is the difference between these two? Someone saying that, okay, I migrate this from sandbox to production. If I'm talking about the deployment, so what is the difference between deployment and migration? So just I'm telling you, migration means you are migrate the data from sandbox to production. Okay, you are migrate the data from sandbox to production. Data means whatever data you have in sandbox, just you upload into the production. This called the migration. If I'm talking about deployment means you are deploying the metadata, like the Apex classes, like the other stuff. So deployment or migration means this is a difference. Okay, deployment, whenever we say the deployment, it means to say you are deploying the metadata and Apex class and other things, right? And if I'm talking about the migration, it means that you are migrating the data. So just I'm telling you. Okay, so just I'm telling you, sandbox is an exact copy of production. I will take one more session about the sandbox as well. So sandbox is nothing just like an exact copy of production. Okay, so whenever you get a requirement from client, then what you need to do? Just you will do the, you can say, you will implement into the sandbox. This is your sandbox, and this is your production account. Okay, so how you generate the sandbox? So sandbox you can generate from the production. Okay, sandbox you can generate from the production. So sandbox is an exact copy of production. Okay, so we have a different type of sandbox. It's a different method: partial copy, full copy sandbox. Okay, developer pro sandbox, like that. So we have a different type of sandbox, so I can discuss later. So sandbox, you will develop anything, you will customize anything in sandbox, and then after, if client will okay, now I'm fine, this functionality is working fine, then you will move from sandbox to production. Never touch the production. Keep in mind, if you are going to create any functionality, workflow rule, process builder, trigger, class, whatever, always you will create into the sandbox and you will deploy into the production with the help of some tools. What tool we have for deployment? We have VS Code. With the help of VS Code, you can deploy. We have a ANT migration tool. We have a change set. And also we have Eclipse, right? So we have a many more tools. So guys, and DevOps also coming in the market nowadays. Okay, and Capado, I think this is very recently used. Okay, so everything you will create into the Salesforce sandbox, then you move from sandbox to production. Never you will say, if anyone asks you, can we develop anything in production? Yes, we can develop. Not like that we cannot develop. We can develop. We can write a class in the Salesforce production, but we are not doing this. This is why you can say the crime. Whatever we are going to develop, first of all, you will develop into the sandbox, and then you will deploy from sandbox to production with the help of some deployment tool. What tool we are using? We can use the VS Code, we can use the anti-migration, we can use the chain set, we can use the Eclipse, right? So these tools we can use for the deployment. Now you have created, so you got the username and password. Return back to the main topic. Now you open. How you open? Just to go here, login.salesforce.com. Simple. Just to write the login.salesforce.com. Don't worry about the edition. What edition you are using? Just to username enter the password. Just to log in. See this? This is the production account. How you know? If you go to the sandbox, test.salesforce.com. Test.salesforce.com. You can say login the, see this, login to sandbox. But if you go here, login into login.salesforce.com, only login, not this. It means to say this is your sandbox and this is your production. Okay, so always you will do into the, but it's a practice account, so that you can do here. Okay, now one more thing I'm telling you, Salesforce not provide the sandbox option for practice purpose. Okay, in this account you are not able to create a sandbox. Now just to open this one, okay, just to open this one. So this, you open the Salesforce. Now this, your role is start. So guys, it's a very interesting. Okay, this is only one website, and you need to do everything. You need to learn the, you need to develop the code, you need to develop the class, you need to you need to develop the class, you need to develop the anything, process builder, workflow, flow, data loader, whatever you want, just to do into this area. Okay, so now if I'm talking about, suppose what edition I'm using, how you know what edition I'm using? So I told you, if on the 10 laptop, open the different edition, you cannot identify what edition you are using until you will not go there. So how you know? Go to setup, just go to setup, right here the company profile, and then go here, company profile and company information. Click on the company information. Then you see this, what edition you are using? Developer edition. I told you, right? I told you developer edition. So I will tell you, I can tell you, okay, these things, but this is a very lengthy. So today I am not discussing this one. Salesforce.com ID. What is the mean of ID? What is the instant? What instant you are using? So basically, instant is nothing, just like a database address. Okay, because Salesforce is on cloud. So we have a different database. Okay, I don't care about the database. Just you need to insert the record, upload the record, export the record, delete the record, and update the record. Don't care about the database, where database is placed, right? So just to think about it, this is your Salesforce. Now this is your, if you want to move into the Lightning, just you can move into the Lightning, right? Now you can see this is a Lightning version, and that was the classic version. Okay, so I assume that the maximum people working in a Salesforce. Based on that, I'm telling. Okay, but basic thing I also told you, because if I tell the starting, so I'm confused that who will new or who will just, because if you already know, then why you know again, right? So today just I'm telling you. So now you have a, just to assume that you have a practice account, and this account you need to open, and then you need to work on it. So now I'm talking about the main topic, security setting. Guys, don't worry. Okay, I will take a few just after some time. Once I will complete the security topic, then I will take a question answer session. So you can ask any question you have, no problem. Okay, so now you can see here, I am discussing about the security setting in Salesforce. Security setting. So guys, security is a very important topic, as we know, right? If you working in Salesforce, then you know very well. If you are giving the support to client, if you are developing anything, if you are giving the development interview, if you are giving the admin interview, if you are whatever you are doing in Salesforce, security is the very important topic in Salesforce. Okay, and we have a special one certification for security, sharing as visibility certification. This is only for certificate security. So security is the confusing topic for the peoples, and security is a very easy topic as well. Just depend on the you, okay, how you see this. So just let's start. The very simple topic. Go here, see. I'm telling you the very different manner. Okay, just to think about it. See here, this is your Salesforce, right? This is your Salesforce. Open the Salesforce. So security means what, right? Security means something secure, right? Something secure. So what secure? You can secure your data, obviously, right? I have a data, so I will secure the data. I don't have a TV, fridge, AC in Salesforce, right? So I don't want to secure that thing. I want to secure the data. I want to secure the components. So guys, security, okay? So think about it, just to listen only, okay? Don't think about other things, just to listen only. This is your Salesforce. You have a 20 people. Every people open the Salesforce. Every people open the Salesforce, right? Do you think about it? All the people have a same access? Do you think all the people have a same access? No, right? How you provide the same access to everyone? Suppose if you working in any company, you are a software developer, and at the same time, the other person working in your company, vice president. Do you think about it? If whatever access you have as a Salesforce developer, as a software developer, the same access will have a VP, vice president? No, right? Based on the designation, based on the profile, you are giving the access. Got it? You are not giving the access to with the name. Okay, this is Sam Sundar. You can give the access. This is Ramnath. You can give this access. No, right? Based on the designation, based on the profile, you are giving the access. This person is a BP, so that this person move anywhere in a company. This person is a software developer. Keep in your area only. You cannot enter in HR department or other department. Why? Because of designation. We cannot give the same access to everyone, right? We cannot give the same access to everyone. So same apply. You can say the same you can apply into the Salesforce as well. Salesforce is based on the OOPS language, OOPS language, right? Object oriented programming language. It means to say whatever you think about in real time, the same thing you can apply into the Salesforce. This will 100%. This will easy for you, and you will 100% easy. Coding, development, or admin, or whatever. Okay. So security. I'm talking about security. So you can see here. So as a suppose 20 people open the Salesforce, then I will not give the same access to everyone. I hope everyone agree with this point, right? We will not give the same access to everyone. Now, what you need to do? Just suppose I'm telling you what you are able to see here. You are able to see what is this? This called the tabs. Home tab, opportunity tab, lead tabs, task tab, file tab. These are the tabs. Okay. And if you click on the any tab, click on, suppose if I'm talking about lead, you click on the lead. See this? This is a lead. This is a lead record. Okay. So it means to say you need to control the record also, right? Because whatever record I am able to see, that record I don't want the other person will see, even if I'm talking about lead record. Okay. So I need to control the record as well. Also, I need to control the tab. And if I'm going here, applications, Go here, view all applications. These are the applications, app, all apps, sales service app, marketing app, community app. These are the multiple apps here. Okay, custom app as well as the standard app. Okay, so also you need to control the application. So what you see this, you have seen this tabs, you have seen this records. If I'm talking about UI, because user interface label, right? Because admin can see everything. So I'm not talking about the admin. And guys, just to think about it, whenever you develop anything, just to don't think about like admin, you are admin. Just to think about you are a user. Okay. So if you have any question from the security, just to think about I'm a user, not an admin. Because admin have a full power. Admin is a super admin. Admin can see everything. Okay. But you think about as a user. Okay. So you see this as a user, you are able to see the leads, you are able to see the records, you are able to see the applications. And if you click here, so guys, this is a page layout. This is a page layout. This called the page layout. Okay. So this is the what? This is the you can say detail page. We have a two type of page layout. One is the detail page. Second one is the edit page. So this called the detail page. If you click on the edit, this is the edit page of the record. Okay. So you can see the layout also we have. If you click on the contact, if you click on the new, see this, we have a record type also. Record type 1, 2, 3. Okay. So we have a multiple things for the user interaction. So my purpose as an administrator, you need to control the access from the users. So what you need to control? Let's see this. Now you need to control application. I have seen that, right? You need to control tab. You need to control the record. And what? You need to control the page layout. And you need to control the record type. I have seen that. And you need now, whatever these things are in the front of user, right? You have seen that. Behind this is a front view, right? What about the internal view? Suppose if you click this new button, behind this, what we have? Class, right? We have a class. If I click on this button, then I click on the next, new page open. If you click on the cancel, then still page will be cancelled. But if you click on the new, save and new, it means to say if you click here, then you fill the data and save the record. But behind this, we have a class already developed by the Salesforce. Okay. Point and click or admin means what? Doesn't matter ki admin means just you are no need to write a class. Salesforce already written a class. Just you need to click, right? And Salesforce given the concept as well. Apex class, Visual Force page, trigger, batch Apex, etc. So with the help of that concept, also you need to create a functionality. And some functionality already Salesforce provide to you with the help of admin. So guys, whatever you are able to see, you have seen that like this: application, tabs, record, page layout, record type, etc. Now behind this we have a class. So if I'm giving the permission to you, please click on this button, or just to write add to campaign. Sorry, add to campaign. If I select here add to campaign, so it means to say this is the class behind this button, right? For example, just I'm telling you one more. So this is a Google, right? So guys, just you tell me one thing. MVC pattern. What is the meaning of MVC? As we know, model, view, and controller. Model, view, controller, right? So model means what? Model means database, right? View means UI, user interface. Controller means class. The three things if you are develop any software, three things you need, right? Model means database, where you store, where the data will store. View means what is the UI, like this. This is a UI. If you write, suppose, if you write the, for example, name president, Salesforce CEO name, Salesforce CEO name, enter, right? So how this comes? How this came? This came because this information is stored into database of Google, right? So this is UI. If you don't have this one, then where you enter the name? This box you can enter, right? So this is a view, model view controller, view. And how they display? With the help of class. Once you write here something, search, we have a class, method, everything. So same way here you can see, if you add the, this is the, if you click here, add to campaign, this is a button. Behind this button we have a class. So you need to control the class as well, of course, right? What you need to control? You need to control the class. And also what you need to control? You need to control the BF page. Suppose I don't want to show you this page. I don't want to show you this page. But if I give it, if I will not hide, if I will not put the security, then obviously you will see, right? Obviously you will see. I don't want to show you. Then I need to control this one out. It means to say this is a page, but this is not a visual force. This is a lightning page, right? So you can control this one also. So you need to control the pages. Other thing, what we have, just to think about it. Password policies. Password policies. Password policy means what? I want, if BP, because you know, we seen that, right? If we are working in a company, then we seen that after some time, after 1 month, after 2 months, the automatically just please reset your password. Why? Due to the security reason. Due to the security reason, right? So due to the security reason, we can control the password as well. BP, for BP, 1 month, in 1 month, password reset. For Salesforce developer, or for developer, or for receptionist, or for backend executive, each and every 15 days need to reset the password. So I can control these things also. I can control. कहते ना, ठीक है? So you can control the password policy as well. Now, after that, what we have? Login hour. What is the meaning of login hour? Login hours means what? Basically, the login hours. Suppose you working in a bank. So you heard about this, right? Suppose 9 to 6, and once you go for after 9, after 6, then the bank people say, okay, sorry, server down. I cannot open my application. Of course, they cannot open your application. Sorry, they cannot open own application because of whatever application they are using automatically shut down after 6 p.m. So same way I want for Salesforce as well. I want ki bhai, okay, I want ki bhai, I need to open Sunday. Sorry, Sunday I want 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Monday I want 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Tuesday I want some other day. So we can control. It means to say we can control the login hours. Ki before 6, before 9, after 6. You cannot, not like that ki just you go to the bank for 1 hour. You can say just 8 a.m. You reach in the morning and just complete your work and just move 5 p.m. Not like that. The application will not open. So you need to control. Otherwise, this problem, right? This is a problem. And more thing, and what other? IP ranges. IP ranges. What is the meaning of IP ranges? For example, I am owner of the company. I'm a owner of the company. Just I open the sales. Just I'm an owner of the company, and I have a 15 employee. Right? I have a 15 employee. I want. I want. Okay. I want. If you open the Salesforce, you can log in with the help of only Wi-Fi. Your internet, company internet. Your company internet. So how you manage? If you try to open your mobile internet, then this will not open. So you need to manage the IP. It's called the IP ranges. So guys, you have seen that, and also you can see the ETC. So these things you need to control. At least these things you need to control. So how you control? So how you control these things in Salesforce? So you need to control with the profile. Salesforce provides the some concept. Salesforce provides the some concept. Okay. So we have a profile. We have a permission set. Now we have a sharing setting. Under sharing setting, we have a OWD. We have a role hierarchy. We have a sharing rule. We have a manual sharing. We have a view all data. View all. Modify all. View all data. And modify all data. Modify all data. So guys, these concepts we have. Only these concepts. Okay. Don't think about other. Just we have these concepts only. What concept? Profile, permission set. Under sharing setting, we have a OWD, role hierarchy, sharing rule, manual sharing, view all, modify all data, modify all data. So Salesforce provide these concepts to us. With the help of these concepts, you will control all the what things. You need to control these. You need to control the application, you need to control the tabs, you need to control the records, you need to control the layouts, record types, classes, pages, whatever. Okay. But apart from record, only record we can control through the this one. You can say like this. Record you will control through the OWD, role hierarchy, sharing rule, manual sharing, view all, modify all, view all data, modify all data. Apart from record, guys, keep in mind, just apart from record, everything you will control through the profile and permission set. Everything you will control through the profile and permission set. Apart from record, I told you apart from record, everything you will control through the profile and permission set. Simple. Suppose if I'm asking in any scenario, if I'm asking about the, okay, just tell me, we have a two object, and then we have a two user. I want to control from one of user like that. So I'm talking about the object. I'm not talking about the record. So don't think about the sharing rule, OWD, manual sharing and all. Only you think about the profile and permission set. Got it? Only you think about the profile and permission set. If I'm talking about we have a two users or three users, I want to control the record. So you don't think about the profile and permission set first. First you think about the OWD, role hierarchy, sharing rule, manual sharing, these things. Okay. So if I'm talking about the record, if I'm asking about the record controllability, then you will think about the OWD and others. If I'm talking about apart from record, if I'm talking about the classes, if I'm talking about the Visual Force pages, if I'm talking about the tabs, objects, field, these things you will control through the profile as well as permission set. Okay. So you will control with the help of these. Now, the question is this, why now you know that, okay, what I need to control and why, how we will control and why we will control, right? Now you can see what is profile exactly? What is profile and why we use the profile? So just I'm telling you the definition today, and tomorrow I will take the furthest after that. So what is the profile? So in single line, I'm telling you the very small definition, and this is very helpful for you. Okay, profile is a collection of settings. What is a profile? Profile is a collection of settings and set of permissions. Profile is a collection of settings and set of permissions where we can control same thing, objects, fields, layouts, IP ranges, password policies, like that. Okay, so these things you can control through the profile, etc. Okay, so guys, just give me the 1 minute. Okay, so profile is a collection of settings and set of permissions where we can control the objects, fields, layouts, record types, IP ranges, validation rules, etc. Okay, apart from record, and record you can control through the OWD, role hierarchy, sharing rule, manual sharing, and these. Record you will control only these. Okay, so guys, I will tell you tomorrow, but before that, just we can take a question answer. If you have any question, you can ask me. Okay, and then I can tell you. So, and 12:30, 11 to 12:30 today I have done. Tomorrow also I will do the same time, 11 to 12:30, and then I will complete the other. So if you have, so I don't know who is the new in Salesforce. So just to tell me, okay, if you are new or any question if you want to ask, then you can discuss. Anything? Anything from anyone?
Hello.
Yes, tell me please.
Yes. So this is the weekend sessions or the weekday also?
Actually, this is a weekend session because I told you ki I have other stuff. I just I'm giving the training and also I'm working. So both things I'm handling. So weekend session Saturday, Sunday. But yes, I think in this month we have a number of leaves, right? Number of holidays.
Yeah.
Right. So holidays we can meet also, no problem. Okay. So if I'm talking about the 25th, 26th, 27th, there are lots of holidays. So no problem.
Okay.
So weekend, as of now, weekend, and then we will discuss about the further update.
Okay.
Yes, other things.
Yeah. What part we will cover in the Salesforce, like development on only or admin only?
See, I will cover the admin as well as development as well. No problem. Okay. But yes. So admin and development, both things I will cover, and then whatever I can do for you, I will do.
Okay. So how much session will require to complete it?
How much session you can say? See, if I will take because this is the first session, so I don't know who is the new and who is the not working and who is the working. I don't know, right? And who is working in Salesforce, who is working in other technology. So, but I will take it slowly. Okay, not much, but yes, because I want, if whenever want to learn, just to learn properly and then go, right? And I will tell you the administrator, I will tell you development. Okay, most of the time, maybe if this will take 2 months or 3 months maximum, but yes, within 3 months you will complete everything. Okay.
Sir,
yes,
where can we about this recording session, sir?
A recording session, see, in a group, just I will give the one YouTube link I have. Okay, just I have only one video, so please just I will upload in there. So just you can subscribe and then you can add. You can download from there also. Subscribe or not, I don't care about that. Okay. So if you want, then you can subscribe. Otherwise, no problem. Just you can download from there. Or I can create a Telegram group, because Telegram I can share the head there also.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Thanks.
Thank you, everyone. Because in WhatsApp I'm not able to share because it's a big file, right? So WhatsApp we have a problem to download. So in Telegram or YouTube channel, just I will upload and then you can take from there.
So
Right.
can you please mention the session names like
Yes, exactly. Today
this
just I
class
yes. So
out like this so that we
yes,
can understand what session it is.
exactly. So today just I have done the security. Even not done. Even a bit tomorrow I will also take a security session. So security and then I will just I mentioned proper topic so that we can. Today just I was just planning for the security only. So I discussed about the before that because I told you I don't know who is the new and who is the working. So but yes, I will thank you for suggestion. I will add that.
Thank you. Thanks for your confirmation.
Yeah. Okay. So any other question from anyone? Otherwise we can close. Acha,
Hello,
just
good
tell me one
afternoon,
thing.
sir.
Who is the new in sales? In this.
I am
Yeah.
sir Deepika Bisne.
Okay. So Deepika, you are new in Salesforce, right?
Yes.
No, sorry, sir. You talking about what?
Okay. I told you just who is the new in Salesforce?
Okay. No, I am not new in a Salesforce. I am
Acha.
just joined this meeting.
Acha, you are no problem. That's why I'm telling you. Just I asked
And-
because I thought if anyone is new, then little bit problem for the understanding the security and all other topics. Okay, so I
Yes,
have
sir.
another solution for that.
And sir,
Okay.
I'm the new to Salesforce, sir. My name is Ramraj.
Okay. So you are new, right? So
Yes.
Ramraj, you working any other technology or what? You're not working.
No, sir. I'm just came to this field from last 6 months only.
Okay.
So I'm completely new to this field.
Okay. And which year you pass out?
Sir,
Which year you pass out and your location, please?
my location is Visakhapatnam, sir. I'm passed out in 2010, sir.
Okay. So no problem. Easily you will do. Okay. Easily you will do, and 100% you will get an offer. Okay.
Okay.
But you need to take a direction. Okay. So
Right.
just to take a direction and 100% you will place and with the very good package. Just I want the people say everyone here. Okay. I don't know about who is the new or not new. If you have a little bit communication, okay, just to come
Okay.
here and then 100% I will place.
Okay.
Okay. So just to teach touch with me, okay, and then I will tell you. No problem.
Sure.
Okay.
Yes, I will send the Telegram link and then in a WhatsApp group so that you can add.
Deepika this sir.
Yes, Deepika.
Sorry, sir, for interruption.
Yes, no problem.
Sir, I joined very late, so late. So can you send us a recording of today's session?
Yes. I will send the recording. Also, I will send the.
Where we will receive it, sir? On G Drive only.
Not G Drive, Telegram, and then YouTube. I will upload. Okay, so you can take from there also.
Sir, I am having one issue because
Yes, tell
with Telegram and with this Zoom meeting, I am not able to join via laptop. Okay, because in my office laptop na I
Acha,
can't
got it.
access.
Got it. So do one thing now. Just you go to the YouTube on the mobile. Okay, so I can upload there, and then you can check. You can listen from there.
Okay, sir. Okay, fine.
Okay.
See, sir. Again, I want to share one thing. I have done the Salesforce admin as well as developer classes. Okay, but now I'm working in these organizations and I'm working as a delivery spock. So, and there is a different team for development. Means client team is there for this complete level. Development team is a client. So I'm not having right now practice in coding and getting forget it day by day. So sir, in this class if we will join, then I hope my knowledge will get refreshed.
Of course. Whatever knowledge I have, I will share with you, with all of you. Okay. So no problem. Okay. So
again, one question. These
Excellent.
classes will be free or
no? This is see this. By the way, this class is free. Okay, but I'm giving the training as well. This is a separate. You can say the big days classes, and then also I'm working. Okay, so this class is free. Welcome to everyone. Okay, I don't want you join if you feel that if you're not comfortable. Okay, and if you want to learn properly, then also you can join the training session as well. Okay, and then you can learn. Okay, and here also weekdays, weekend I'm telling whatever I will tell the same thing I will tell here also. Okay, and then you can learn from here also. No problem.
Sir,
Okay.
and classes will be held on weekend only or in weekdays
For
also?
free session weekend, and then for paid and all these session, so you can see the weekdays as well. Okay. So
Okay,
but weekend I will cover. Okay, but it will take a few months, not much more, but 2 to 3 months maximum. Okay. So just to learn properly, and then I will help whatever I can. Okay. So
Thank
no
you.
worry. I got it.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Any other things?
Sir, I am also new. I'm Saurav actually,
Yes,
and
Saurav.
I'm working as a digital marketing manager right now. I have a good experience in that, and I want to switch into Salesforce, and I'm keen interested for marketing cloud.
Marketing cloud.
So
Okay.
I want guidance for that also.
Okay. Okay. So
Yeah.
Saurabh, just I'm telling you, for marketing cloud, okay, you are a digital marketing, you already working in a digital marketing, is a good, okay, and this is a plus point, and this decision is a good decision for you. Okay, you think about it, ki I need to go for the marketing cloud, because marketing cloud is a very good package nowadays. Okay,
Okay.
but before marketing cloud, you need to you need to 100% you need to learn about the administrator. I told in a starting. Okay, without admin, admin is a pillar. Without admin, you can't do anything. Development, marketing cloud, or any CPQ, or any integration, whatever. If you don't know the admin, then you cannot do. So I suggest you can learn admin if you not done from resources, or you can take a training or whatever. Okay, this is your choice, and then you go for the marketing cloud. But marketing cloud have some issues as well, because you are in digital marketing, right? And then if you show the some experience or something, because fresher level marketing cloud don't have the job.
Okay.
Okay, fresher level don't have job, and you told that you have a good experience in digital marketing, and then
Right.
so directly you can, if you want to move in the marketing cloud. So marketing cloud, what is happening nowadays, the people giving the training for the marketing cloud, only the 8 session taking, and that amount you can say 35,000, 40,000, 25,000 minimum. Okay,
Okay.
and only 8 session. Okay, and then we are not sure you will place or not that time. Okay, and because in 8 session, how you justify that you have worked with the 2 years in a marketing cloud? So I suggest you, first of all, just you learn administrator if you not done, and also learn the marketing cloud stuff. Okay, and then you write in the CV both things, admin and marketing cloud. And
Okay.
whatever you got a chance, suppose you got a chance for the administrator, just to learn, just to get into, just to enter into the admin for the few months, 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, and might be in your company marketing cloud, your company also work on a marketing cloud, then you can move internally. Otherwise, just you have a sufficient time, you learn, and then you go for the marketing cloud, because every marketing cloud people 100%, 100% you can say, work with the administrator, developer, or what. Directly,
Yeah.
directly. If you go to the directly, then interviewer asks you lots of questions. How you enter in Salesforce, and if you show the experience, then you will catch, right, by the people.
Right.
Otherwise,
Right.
and if you are fresh people, then you don't have the job option.
Okay.
Okay, so just I suggest you just to go to the Salesforce properly, admin you learn, and then there are lots of opening nowadays. Salesforce, we have a lots of opening for the Salesforce administrator and support. And the question was
Right.
question is a very normal question. What is the profile? What is the this? What is that? Not much. Okay.
Okay. All right.
Thank you. Service cloud, demand, service cloud and sales cloud is nothing. Okay. Service cloud means that's Omni Studio, and you can see the CTI integration, some extra topics in the service cloud. Otherwise, development, administrator, the both are everything. Oh, sorry, both is same for everything. Sales cloud or service cloud. Okay, so service cloud, yes, I can guide you the service cloud as well. Okay, whatever topic we have. Any other? I think fine, right? So guys, okay, so thank you so much. So please join just because time is over 12:30. So please just I will give the YouTube link, and then subscribe, and then also join there, and then I will create the Telegram link, and you can take it. You can take a video from audio from Telegram also, and then if you have any problem, then personally you can message me. No problem. Okay. So might just the other person we can take care. So thank you everyone. Thank you so much. So meet any other question if you have any urgent question.
So can you please post your updates on this group, particular group that which you have
Yes,
created
yes,
on
yes.
WhatsApp?
Exactly. I will post.
Thank you.
Okay, I will post it.
And sir, if we have any doubts, we can ask in that group.
Exactly. You can ask. You can ask. Group. You can ask in the group, but might be because if I'm not able to tell the answer, then I will give the answer on a you can say in a session. Okay. But yes, you can post the question, but please don't post that question which you can available everywhere. Suppose if you are talking about okay, please give me the dump. Please give me the please what is this? What is that? So please don't do like that. But yes, if you have any genuine question, then you can raise, and then we will discuss into the session.
Okay. Thank you. Sir.
And yes, if anyone want a coupon, $140 coupon, if you don't have, I think nowadays everyone have. Okay, but if you don't have the $140 coupon, then you can take from me. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
What is the
Chalo.
coupon?
Certification coupon.
Okay.
I can give you $140.
It is free or paid?
It is free of
the
cost. Free of cost. I will give you.
Okay.
Thank you everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Okay. I will write. I will give the permission for writing the group in the group. No problem. Thank you. Okay.